Tired of endless follow-up calls? Let's explore how Retell AI can automate those essential follow-up calls and completely transform your customer engagement. First, you'll need to integrate Retell AI with your existing customer relationship management CRM system or contact list. This could mean uploading your contacts directly or connecting via an API. Next, craft personalized call scripts. Consider different scripts for various customer segments or lead stages. Retell AI allows you to create templates or customize messages to sound natural and engaging. Think about incorporating greetings, the purpose of the call, and any call to actions. Now, it's time to schedule your follow-up calls with Retell. You have the flexibility to define the calling schedule. You can set intervals, choose optimal calling times, and automate reminders according to your business needs, ensuring a consistent follow-up strategy. In the next step, you'll monitor the AI's performance. Retell AI provides real-time call logging. You can also customize the audio settings so that you have the option to save the conversation, which will help in the analyzing process, allowing you to gather valuable insights on customer interactions and preferences. Finally, take advantage of the analytics options provided by Retell. These metrics help you understand the effectiveness of your follow-up process, analyze these results to refine your scripts, your timing, and make data-driven improvements to enhance your overall customer experience. Automate, refine, and conquer.